It is very nice to greet you again. In today's video we will talk about the following. 10 signs your dog is in labor. Your dog is about to give birth. Is your dog pregnant? If so, it's very important that you can recognize the signs of labor. When your dog is in labor, you should be prepared in case something unexpected happens or if you have questions for the veterinarian. What are the stages of labor? The average duration of a dog's labor is between 3 and 12 hours. However, it can vary depending on the breed, the number of puppies, and whether it's her first litter. Normally, the labor process consists of 3 stages. Stage 1. Contractions and dilation of the cervix, approximately 6 to 12 hours. Stage 2. Birth of the puppies, approximately 45 to 60 minutes per puppy. Stage 3. Expulsion of the placenta, 15 to 30 minutes. The process should never last more than 24 hours. If labor lasts more than 24 hours or there are signs of distress in the mother or puppies, you should seek emergency veterinary care. What are the signs that a dog is in labor? Dog pregnancies typically last between 56 and 69 days. It's best to start looking for signs of labor around day 49. I'll tell you the signs right now. 1. Nesting. Dogs like to choose a safe place during labor due to their survival instinct. This behavior is called nesting. In the wild, it's not safe for them to be outdoors giving birth. They look for a cozy place to have their puppies because it provides them with protection. It's common for them to bring their bed and scratch it to clean it. Don't try to choose the place where you want your dog to have her puppies. This interference will only stress her out. Choosing the right place gives her a sense of control and security. 2. Her body temperature drops below 100 degrees Fahrenheit. The average body temperature of a female dog is 38.5 degrees Celsius, 101.3 degrees Fahrenheit. When her temperature drops below 38 degrees Celsius, 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit, it's a sign that she will go into labor within the next 24 hours. Most dogs give birth within 24 hours of their body temperature falling below 38 degrees Celsius, 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit. 3. She may want to spend more time with you. For some dogs, another sign that they are in labor is that they may want to be closer to you when they are about to give birth. It's an instinct. They want someone they trust to be with them throughout the process. If your dog needs your help with the delivery or seems restless and anxious, you should be available to be with her when the time comes. 4. She may want you to be less close. However, it's also possible that your dog won't want to be near anyone once she goes into labor. This depends entirely on her preferences. Some dogs like to go to a secluded place with no one around when they give birth. Some feel safer that way. 5. Vomiting. Another common sign that a dog is in labor is vomiting. Nausea can occur when the dog is about to go into labor. If you see your dog vomiting during labor, clean her up and give her water so she doesn't get dehydrated. 6. Hardened abdomen. Contractions in dogs usually begin between 48 and 72 hours before giving birth. Sometimes you can hear whimpers or howls during contractions. If your dog's stomach feels different or very firm, this means she is about to have her puppies. 7. Incessant licking of the genital area. Vaginal discharge is released when they give birth, so licking this area is your dog's way of trying to keep herself clean. 8. Enlarged mammary glands. A few days before giving birth, your dog's mammary glands will begin to enlarge. This engorgement will allow her to nurse her puppies. 9. Loss of appetite. Another sign that a dog is in labor is that she refuses to eat. Dogs typically don't like to eat before giving birth. Just make sure she stays hydrated during this time. 10. Trembling. Sometimes, when they are in pain, they tremble. You should try to comfort her by gently touching her and letting her know that everything will be alright. When to call the vet. There might be a problem with your dog's delivery, and you might not know what to do. These are all situations in which you should consult a veterinarian. Something unusual is happening. If your dog has had problems with puppies in the past. If more than 24 hours have passed since labor began and it is still ongoing. If more than 3 hours have passed since labor started and there are still no puppies. If there is more than an hour between puppies being born. If the mother is straining constantly for an hour and there are still no puppies. If labor stops before all the puppies have been born. If the mother is suffering or in severe pain. If the puppies are born stillborn or live but appear weak or something is wrong. You should have your veterinarian's number handy during labor in case anything unusual happens. It is a pleasure to inform you and help you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you should do it now. Take care of yourself and your furry friend. A hug, and until the next video.